Welcome to the Taranker guide on how to claim offers and unlock deals from app providers. Whether you're looking to get exclusive discounts or better deals on the apps that power your online business, this tutorial will walk you through both processes in a few simple steps. Let's take Zotabox app as an example. Begin by navigating to the Zotabox app page on Taranker. You can find Zotabox under the website tools category or use the search function to bring it up directly. Step 2. Claim your offer. Once you're on the Zotabox app page, you'll see the Claim Offer button. Click on it to start the process of securing your discount. A form will appear asking for the following details: your email. Enter the email associated with your business for correspondence. Your website domain. Include the domain where you'll be utilizing Zotabox tools. Industry. Specify the industry to which your business belongs, helping Zotabox understand your needs. Monthly visits. Give an estimate of your monthly website traffic. Monthly orders. Provide the average number of orders your store processes each month. Your message. Use this space to explain how Zotabox could benefit your business, possibly enhancing your chances of a better offer. Fill in each field accurately to let Zotabox assess your application thoroughly. Step 3. Submit and await approval. After filling out the form, submit your request. The Zotabox team will review your application and respond via the email you provided. Keep an eye on your inbox for their decision and further instructions on how to proceed. Step 4. Use the Unlock Deal function. If Zotabox is already offering a deal, all you need to do is click on the Unlock Deal button. This will immediately apply the discount once you log into your Taranker account. If you don't have an account yet, no problem. Just sign up quickly and you'll gain access to this offer in no time. Step 5. Claim a better deal. But what if you want to try for a better deal? You can also click the Claim My Offer button and fill the form as demonstrated in Step 2 to negotiate for an even better discount. In the meantime, you can enjoy the 50% discount applied by the Unlock Deal function. That's how easy it is to claim and unlock deals for Zotabox through Taranker. Don't forget to check out other apps on Taranker and hit the subscribe button to unlock even more great deals for your business.